Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge. First, gather your ingredients: 4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of butter, and 1 5-ounce can of evaporated milk. You'll also need 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. Next, combine the sugar, butter, and evaporated milk in a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil. It's crucial to stir constantly during this stage to prevent the sugar from burning on the bottom. Continue boiling and stirring for exactly 5 minutes to reach the correct consistency for perfect fudge. After 5 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in the chocolate chips, vanilla extract, and salt until everything is fully melted and smooth. Now, beat the mixture vigorously with a wooden spoon or electric mixer for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice it thickening and losing some of its gloss. Pour the warm fudge into your prepared pan. Finally, let the fudge cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or until it is firm. Once firm, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the fudge from the pan. Place it on a cutting board and cut it into 1-inch squares. Store your delicious homemade fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description below for links to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.